How to animate text in VN Video Editor. Animating text in VN Video Editor brings your videos to life, and here's how to do it. After adding your text, tap the text layer on the timeline, then tap Animation in the toolbar below. You'll see options for in, loop, and out animations. Choose an animation style for each to make your text appear, stay dynamic, and disappear smoothly. Preview the animation by hitting play to see how it looks in your video. Combine different animation styles for a professional look, but keep it subtle to avoid distractions. Tried text animation before? What's your favorite effect? Let us know in the comments below. And that's how you can animate text in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.